We just had one deer. Surprised him. He went jumping off. There he is. He was standing right in the yard and I didn't see him.